What's up guys, Random Razor here with another tech video for you guys today, and today just going to bring you guys a quick simple video of a sound test of the Corsair K70 gaming keyboard. This has the brown switches with the red LEDs, and I don't see too many brown switch videos on this, so hopefully this will give you guys some idea of what this keyboard sounds like. So let's get started. Alright, so here's a quick test of the Apple wireless keyboard in comparison. Anyways, that concludes this video of the Corsair K70 keyboard with the Cherry MX brown switches, and of course the comparison between the Apple wireless keyboard here, obviously two different style of keyboards, chiclet, dome membrane, whatever you want to call it, versus the mechanical style keyboards here. I chose the brown switches to start with just because they seem to be best of both worlds of the red switches and the blue switches, where you have the lightness of the red switch as well as a bit of a tactile feedback with the blue switches, but they don't require too much pressure as the blue switches to actuate. But anyways, that's my quick 2 cents on that, and hopefully this will help you guys out pick up the right keyboard for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on next vid.